Today, we're exploring a blockchain project that's been generating a lot of buzz in the decentralized cloud and AI computing space, Destra Network. We'll break down what it is, what problems it aims to solve, and at the end, we'll share whether we believe this token is worth investing in. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Destra Network? Destra is a Layer 2 blockchain that operates on the Arbitrum orbit, aiming to provide decentralized cloud infrastructure, GPU computing, and AI services. The idea behind it is to reduce reliance on centralized cloud providers by distributing storage and computing across a decentralized network of nodes. This may help increase the overall security, reliability, and scalability of cloud services, though its real-world performance will be something to watch as it matures. One of the key problems Destra addresses is the current dependency on centralized cloud providers. Traditional providers like AWS or Google Cloud are centralized, meaning they control your data, and any failure or downtime on their end can affect users. Destra offers an alternative by decentralizing services such as web hosting, file storage, and even video rendering across multiple nodes. This could offer more privacy and resilience, though at this stage, the actual cost and performance comparison with established providers is still evolving. Another area Destra is trying to make an impact in is reducing the high costs associated with AI and machine learning computations. Right now, developing AI models requires expensive hardware like GPUs or TPUs, which can be a barrier for smaller companies or individuals. Destra aims to solve this by creating a decentralized GPU network where users can rent out idle GPUs to help run AI and machine learning tasks. This approach could make AI development more accessible, though it's still early days, and actual adoption and usage will be critical in evaluating its effectiveness. If you have idle resources, like unused GPUs or extra storage capacity, you could potentially contribute to the Destra network and earn rewards. Destra uses a mechanism called Proof of Stake consensus to reward users based on the amount of computing power or storage they provide. However, it's important to note that the token economy and potential earnings are still developing, and like many projects, the long-term sustainability of these rewards is something to monitor. Let's quickly cover some of Destra's notable features. First, we have the decentralized GPU network, which powers high-performance tasks like AI training and blockchain computations. Then there's decentralized DNS and CDN, ensuring secure and fast content delivery without relying on centralized servers. And don't forget the AI model training platform, where you can train AI models using Destra's decentralized infrastructure. No need for expensive setups, just plug into the network, and you're good to go. Now, you may be wondering, what blockchain does Destra use? Destra runs on a Layer 2 blockchain on top of Arbitrum orbit. It uses technologies like zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs, to secure transactions while maintaining efficiency. By operating as a Layer 2, Destra seeks to scale its operations without the congestion and high transaction costs seen in some Layer 1 chains. Developers might find Destra interesting for several reasons, particularly if they are looking for decentralized cloud or AI services. Its decentralized infrastructure could provide alternative solutions for certain use cases, though it's still important to compare Destra's offerings with existing cloud and AI solutions in terms of cost, performance, and ease of use. As for the future, Destra has a roadmap with planned features like a one-click AI deployment suite and enterprise-grade solutions. Whether it can deliver on these promises will depend largely on adoption, real-world testing, and how it competes against traditional and decentralized competitors in the space. On the flip side, if you have a low risk tolerance or are not comfortable with the possibility of losing your investment, Destra may not be for you. Like many early-stage crypto projects, there's more than a remote likelihood that the project could fail. The crypto space is volatile, and while the potential upside may seem attractive, it's important to recognize that projects like Destra can struggle with adoption, competition, or technical issues. If you're not okay with the possibility of the token's value going to zero, or if you're thinking about investing your life savings, it's better to approach with caution or avoid it altogether. Diversification and careful investment decisions are key in this space. It's also important to note that just because large YouTube channels are claiming potential gains of 40x or 50x, it doesn't guarantee that those returns will happen. Many of these influencers have made bold predictions in the past that haven't panned out. While publicity from big names can generate excitement, it doesn't necessarily mean the fundamentals or long-term prospects of the project are solid. Remember, these channels often focus on speculative investments and have had their fair share of bad calls. It's essential to approach with caution, do your own research, and not base your decisions solely on hype or influencer recommendations. In summary, Destra Network is a project that's aiming to decentralize cloud computing and AI infrastructure, but like any new project, it comes with both potential and risks. If you're interested in contributing and use resources to the network or want to explore decentralized AI development, it might be worth keeping an eye on Destra as it develops. As always, make sure to do your own research before committing to any project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in decentralized technology. Let me know in the comments what you think about Destra and whether you consider contributing to the network. See you next time.